Every summer, places like Madikeri and Shimla face a strange paradox, where tourists come here to escape the heat.
Locals struggle with a harsh reality. Severe water shortages. With reservoirs drying up and rivers shrinking, the problem feels overwhelming. But what if this winter fog, often shrouding these beautiful hills, could be the solution? Fog nets aren't a new idea. They have been used in places like Morocco to capture water from the air. But we thought, why stop there? We have created something more advanced and suited to our needs. Our first innovation is a rotating fog net. Unlike traditional static ones, this net adjusts to the wind direction, capturing more fog and maximizing water collection. It's dynamic, efficient, and perfect for these windy hilltops. Tourists leave behind tons of plastic waste, especially PET bottles. So we thought, why not turn this problem into a solution? By recycling this waste into fog nets, we are not just reducing pollution but also creating jobs for the local community. It's sustainable and supports livelihoods. Building the prototype wasn't easy. So we got creative using waste plastic packets and simple materials. And guess what? Even this humble model works. It's proof that innovation does not need fancy equipment, just imagination and effort. Our Fognet prototype is crafted from recycled materials, including used oil packets. We cut these packets into strips and creatively wove them into a sturdy net structure. This approach not only reduces plastic waste but also makes the design cost effective and accessible. It's a simple yet impactful way to turn waste into a life saving resource. Our FogNet isn't just a device, it's a solution to water scarcity, a way to reduce plastic waste, and a chance to empower communities. With more support and refinement, we believe these foggy hilltops can lead the way to a water secure future. Our innovative FogNet combines biomimicry, sustainability, and adaptability to tackle water scarcity in hill stations. By capturing moisture from fog, we address both water shortages and plastic pollution, creating a solution that benefits communities and the environment. This project is a testament to how simple ideas can lead to transformative change. With your support, we can refine this innovation and build a water secure future for generations to come.
Thank you.